All right, this is the beauty of an Angler 22 that I bought at Gasparilla Marina from an old man that wanted to get out of the barn. So 22-foot angler, and I took the family out for a ride on it. We went and watched the boat races a couple weeks ago, topped it off with fuel, and immediately started smelling gas. Thought nothing of it until we got back to the dock and there was gas in the fish boxes and in the bilge. So the $2,500 boat that I got behind me, which ran great, is going to turn into a monster winter project. And right now we're cutting the floor out, or unscrewing and undoing the silicone. We'll show you that. And I got Big Boy here to help me pull it out. And let's take a look. All right, here she is. So I got this boat for 2,500 bucks. Thought I stole it, but kind of got had. The trailer's Austin's, and immediately put my power pole move on it that was on my Hughes, put my lithium battery in, and was expecting to go fish, but that's when we realized the fuel tank was bad after I put 120 gallons of fuel into it. But it's got a 200 OX66, runs great, and I did kind of jump the gun. I put this Vevor Hydraulic Steering Kit on it too. Haven't gotten to test that out yet. So we're gonna put a fuel tank in it and decide if we want to put more into it. I thought it'd be cool to put an Armstrong bracket on, close the transom in, because the boat does ride better than any modern boat in its size, of its size. It's a tank, it's full composite. I gotta give it some TLC and love, but let me show you what we're doing in here. So floor's cut, silicone's cut, all the screws are out, and then the console somehow is screwed to the bulkheads going across, or stringers going across. So we are going to try and pop the console today, and we'll show you how we make out. Broke out the vibrating tool, trying to get this silicone up because it's not doing much by hand. There's a lot of silicone in there, and it appears these screws that are in here holding the console in, like you can see, coming into they're on the console, but they're not long enough to get to this portion that we're trying to break everything free of. So I'm gonna leave them for now.
All right, we got some movement in the back here. Starting to pop. As you can see, we are moving. So we're just going around scoring it. That vibrate tool works really good to get the stuff out. We're not really pushing hard. We don't want to cut, obviously, the tab that this lays on, but it's coming out nice.
All right, we're making progress. Got the floor is starting to pop up. Cutting the tight parts of the silicone here with the vibrating tool. But honestly, it's pretty easy so far. All right, ready for a lift? I'll lift the console and you try and shove something in. All right. Go. All right. Good, good, good. Whoa, that sounded not good.
We're still fastened somehow, dude.
Well, we're definitely fastened under the legs. Dude, you got enough of them? All right, we are very close. This side's pretty much free. Hoping we can just pop the other side without having to gouge it out as much as we did here. Got Reef out here to help. Okay, so we're free to the console on the left side. Now we're gonna start prying up the right side. See if we can make some easy progress here. I think once we get far enough, it's just gonna kind of pop.
I sure hope so.
What are you doing, dude?
He took a leak and now he's...
I'm trying to get the fire ants as a pet.
That sounds like not a good idea.
Dude, I burned a bunch that were coming out of the grill. And afterwards, I'm like, damn, imagine if that was like people, how fucked up that was that I just did that.
All the screws are out in here.
Son of a gun.
You got bit by one today?
No, right now they're not hurt. A joke?
Go, climb.
Oh, let me see my video camera.
I can't get up
Give
here.
me your hand.
I can't film from down there.
What the heck? All right. Try and do a good job filming for us, all right? Yo, you don't have to press the record button. Put it like this. Don't touch any of the buttons.
Okay.
And you're filming Austin.
What?
What are you doing in there, Aust? All right, Reef, get some better footage. You back up and get some footage of me. I'm going to show them how this is loose. Can you see me?
Yeah.
All right. You sure? Like you can see the boat too?
Yep. Well, kind of.
Let me
Not the
just...
whole thing.
Here, let me check this out.
So we shoved the camera in the access plate in the front of the console, just checking to see if we could see anything that was holding us up. But we just couldn't really see the two screws that were under the T-top legs that were giving us all the trouble until we ripped the deck up.
All right, she's free. Big Bob went for brute force and popped her. All right, so it appears to be fully removed. And now we're gonna tip it on its side going towards the
Port side.
starboard side. Starboard is right. There's a ton of caulk.
Silly cone in there.
Lots of caulk on this thing. And we broke some fiberglass, but we're going to the other row because the fill neck's over here, so
What about the wires?
they're on that side mostly too, so
Oh, there's some on this side.
yeah, but it's less. And I don't care if I have to rewire the whole boat, it's easy. Oh! Hold on, hold up. Hold up! We them
Ooh,
boys.
that's like hydraulics. This bird is sick. Can we tie a rope to a cleat and hold it up like this, dude?
Okay. Oh yeah, we did it. Hey, so what happened is they put this shit foam in here that holds moisture. Like right here. And then the tank rots out.
But it's stainless.
100
Oh, look at that stringer. Is that a stringer? What is that?
and
Somebody
120 gallon, I think. I don't know.
Isn't that a factory?
Crazy 120 gallon. Thinking about maybe deleting the entire console section, building a Kusa box and putting a tower on top of it. Closing the transom in, maybe an Armstrong bracket. Pretty cool to put Seakeeper Ride on this thing too. Boat ride's so good it would be worth it, I think. Just to put money into it, but I'm gonna fix all this and I'm gonna repaint the hull, put a new rub rail on it. It's a fun winter project for sure. And that's a wrap for day one. Console's tipped.